Hello, good morning. My name is Oscar, and today we're going to talk a bit about temperature sensors. The purpose of this video is to explain to you a bit about the different types of resistance thermometers you might find on the market. When we talk about PT sensors, it's common to find in various catalogs, on Google and so on, that there are resistance thermometers or temperature sensors connected with 2 wires, 3 wires, or 4 wires. Actually, inside the sensor device, it's always the same. There's a chip at the tip, which, as you can see, has 2 pins. These are the ones I'll be wiring up. The reason for connecting them in these 3 ways is to try to reduce the error that the length of cable between the sensor and the electronic device adds to the system. However, it's still another resistance you have to take into account. That's why we associate a 2-wire sensor with being less accurate than a 3-wire or a 4-wire one, because what the electronic device does is automatically subtract that resistance. If we had a 2 kilo ohm resistor, we could connect it to the electronic device, but internally you need to subtract, not add an offset, so the measurement is accurate, but also so you don't have to be constantly adjusting that parameter. I can use a 2-wire probe and connect it as if it were actually a 3-wire one. All I have to do is, from the cable in the installation that has 3 wires, I join 2 of them together and we'll see what measurement difference there might be. I join the 2 terminals together, bringing them to a single terminal on the sensor. All right. I connect them together and now we'll see. When I hook it up, I hope that's the case. We'll see that the difference between what was measured before and what is measured now is barely 0.3 degrees. This means that in the industrial world, that temperature difference can be considered negligible. So in about 95.90% of typical installations, you can do without that 3rd wire in the PT sensor. And that's all. Thank you very much.